Hello, it's Iris again. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to sew the Oralee top, a beautiful cowl neck halter top with a flattering fit and elegant drape. This stylish piece features a cowl neckline, halter strap, and a lined bodice for a clean finish. Perfect for warm days, summer outings, or dressy occasions. I've edited out the cutting and sewing this time. Hopefully it won't cause any confusion. Let's get started. You'll receive 3 pattern pieces, the front lining, and the back. You can cut the front and lining on the bias if your fabric is 4-way stretch. This will give the cowl even more beautiful drape. First of all, prepare the lining hem. Fold the lower edge of the lining toward the wrong side by 1 centimeter. Fold it again by another 1 centimeter. Pin in place. And stitch close to the inner edge using a zigzag stitch. Next, place the front bodice and lining right sides together. Pin along the neckline. Sew with a 1 centimeter seam allowance using a zigzag stitch or serger. Then top stitch the neckline from the lining side with a zigzag stitch. Keep the seam allowance folded toward the lining. Press the neckline for a clean finish. Now turn the front bodice and lining right sides together again. Pin along the armholes. Sew with a 1 centimeter seam allowance using a zigzag stitch or serger. Next, we're going to create the halter strap. Turn one shoulder strap right side out. Fold the top in half vertically, then tuck the right side out strap inside the other strap. Pin the raw ends together and sew with a 1 centimeter seam allowance using a zigzag stitch or serger. Pull the tuck strap through to turn the halter strap right side out. Now we're going to add elastic at the top of the back so it looks clean and hugs your body nicely. Take an elastic band about 1 centimeter wide. Place it on the top edge of the back pattern to measure the length you need. Then cut it. Place the elastic along the top raw edge on the wrong side. Sew it in place with a zigzag stitch or serger. Then fold the top edge toward the wrong side by 1 centimeter, then fold again by another 1 centimeter. Sew using a zigzag stitch. Trim off any excess elastic before assembling the front and back. Place the back piece on the front piece, right sides together. Pin the side seams of the front and back only. Now flip the lining over the front so the back piece is sandwiched between the front and the lining. Pin the side seams through all layers. Sew the side seams with a 1 centimeter seam allowance using a zigzag stitch or a serger. Final steps, turn the entire top right side out through the bottom. Fold the bottom hem toward the wrong side by 1 centimeter, then fold again by another 1 centimeter. Pin in place. Sew close to the inner fold with a zigzag stitch. Press the whole top with an iron. Your Oralee top is finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more sewing projects. For the full printable PDF pattern, click the link in the description below. Happy sewing! I'll see you in the next video. Bye!